In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dot pattern in Figma. Whether you're designing a sleek presentation or working on a creative project, a dot pattern can add a sophisticated touch. So let's dive into the steps to create one using Figma. Start by opening Figma, which is your go-to tool for collaborative interface design. If you haven't logged into your account yet, you'll want to do that first. It's crucial to have access to your projects and design tools, so click on the login button and sign in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of Figma. This is where you manage your designs and draft new ideas. Now that you're on the Figma homepage, look for the design section. This is where all the magic happens. By clicking on design, you will be directed to an interface that allows you to create, edit, and organize your design projects. Once you're in the design workspace, locate the action option. Clicking on action will open up a set of tools and capabilities that you can leverage to enhance your design. This includes powerful plugins that can amplify what you can achieve in Figma. Next, you'll want to search for the dot pattern. In the search field, simply type in dot pattern. Figma provides a range of plugins and templates for various design tasks. In this instance, look for the dotted pattern generator. This plugin does exactly what it sounds like, generates dot patterns for your designs. Once you find this generator, click on it. This step is crucial because this is where you'll create the dot pattern. Once the dotted pattern generator is ready, you'll see an option that says Run. Click Run to initiate the dot pattern generation process. Depending on the specification of your project, you might have the option to customize elements of this pattern, such as dot size and spacing. Although this might seem like a minor detail, customizing these elements allows your design to be distinctive and tailored to your project specifications. And that's it. Creating a dot pattern in Figma is not only straightforward, but also customizable to fit your project's needs. Remember, enhancing your designs with texture and patterns not only adds depth, but can also make your project more engaging. So, experiment with the settings and see how a simple dot pattern can elevate your design aesthetics. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and happy designing with Figma.